Hello, and welcome to a series of videos on the model-driven CLI, which is being introduced in release 16.0.1. This video introduces the different configuration modes in the MD-CLI. In the MD-CLI, changes to the running configuration are made in a transactional manner. When an administrator makes changes to the configuration, those changes are stored in a candidate configuration data store. These changes have no impact on the running configuration until they are activated by using the commit command. An administrator can access the candidate configuration data store with the edit config command, which allows the MD-CLI to enter a configuration mode. The edit config command has a mandatory parameter, which indicates the type of access to the candidate configuration data store. The options are global, exclusive, and read-only. In global configuration mode, the candidate configuration data store may be accessed by multiple administrators simultaneously. In this example, two administrators enter global configuration mode from two different MD-CLI sessions. We see that the configuration mode is indicated in the command prompt. Now, let's assume the first administrator changes the system name. The asterisk in the prompt indicates that the candidate configuration data store contains uncommitted changes. We use the info command to see the configuration change. The second administrator, also in global configuration mode, can see the system name configured by the first administrator. We use the compare command to display the changes from the running configuration under the present working context. The plus sign indicates that this configuration statement has been added. The quit config command allows an administrator to exit from configuration mode to operational mode. In global configuration mode, uncommitted changes are kept in the candidate configuration data store. The second administrator, still in global configuration mode, may commit the changes from the first administrator. After we commit the changes, we see that the prompt no longer displays the uncommitted changes indicator. An administrator may request exclusive access to the candidate configuration data store. This is only granted if no other administrator is currently in global or exclusive configuration mode. In this example, the first administrator may enter exclusive configuration mode after the second operator has left global configuration mode. Let's assume the first administrator configures the autonomous system ID, and then wishes to exit from configuration mode. The system displays a prompt, warning that all uncommitted changes will be discarded when exiting exclusive configuration mode. A confirmation is needed to continue. The exclusive access is visible, since both the running and candidate configuration data stores are locked. A second administrator cannot enter global or exclusive configuration mode while any exclusive lock exists. It is possible to display which CLI session owns the exclusive lock. The discard command can be used to ignore the newly configured autonomous system ID. In our final example, we enter read-only configuration mode, where the candidate configuration data store is accessed without the ability to make changes. This configuration mode is compatible with any other configuration mode, including exclusive configuration mode. This brings us to the end of this video. Please watch additional videos, or read the documentation for more information on the model-driven CLI.